Alaskan Motorhome. The weather's been really nice here. Today it was actually 56 degrees. But it's almost 8 o'clock now, and by 10 o'clock they are saying we are going to have another winter storm with anywhere from 6 to 10 inches. And as you can see, it's raining now. So this is supposed to turn over to rain. And everything that's wet will freeze, and then it will snow on top of that. So I just wanted to get a shot of what it looks like now, and then we'll get a shot in the morning. Been hearing geese and ducks and seeing all kinds of birds, so summer's about to bloom here in Alaska. Alright, see you tomorrow morning. Alright, well, the snow was supposed to start around 10, and it's now midnight. And it's starting to come down. Everything's just starting to freeze. Well, we didn't get as much snow as they predicted, so that's good. Just enough to kind of dust everything. It's all right. Now we gotta drive to work.
Speaking of concerts, man, there's one coming up this summer that looks pretty exciting. It happens in October in Tennessee. They're calling it the Exit 111 Festival. And it's seriously stacked with rock. Night one, it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday festival. Night one, you've got Slayer, Megadeth, Seether, Black Label Society, Blackstone Cherry, among others. Oh, and the headliner, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Night two, you've got ZZ Top, Ghost, Mastodon, Cheap Trick, Power Trip. Oh, and Def Leppard. Sunday, the Deftones, Skillet, Alter Bridge. Oh, and the headliner, Guns N' Roses. Well, that's a pretty good festival, I'd say. It's pretty intense. All right. Quick look at the weather forecast on this Wednesday morning. Let's do this, shall we?
2, 1. Rock weather. On 95.9.
All right, trying to warm up outside. Sun is coming out. Clouds are clearing out. They said there's still a chance of snow this afternoon, maybe even an inch. I don't know. Highs in the mid to upper 30s is all today, so a little bit chillier, that's for sure. Sunny tomorrow, highs in the lower to mid 40s, but it's going to get at night, the next few nights, it's going to clear off, so it's going to be a little bit cool with highs in the mid to lower 20s. So it will rally the next day, but probably it'll rally like 25 degrees into the 40s. But then towards Sunday and into next week, highs back up around 50 degrees, currently hovering right around 30 in downtown Fairbanks. Drive careful. The roads are pretty good. Some of the bridges, overpasses, that's where you're going to find some ice. Here's the deal. We mentioned this earlier, that the Game Boy, remember the Nintendo Game Boy? That really kind of kicked things off for the handheld gaming devices for sure. The Game Boy, man. Anybody remember Techno Football? Remember that one? Click, 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 click. Go left, go right. Then up the sideline. That was the move. Up the sideline. Scoring another touchdown. It was really just a dot running past a bunch of other dots. But we loved it. Well, Game Boy, the Nintendo Game Boy turns 30. 30 this week. So, I've got a list of them. I got to figure out just how old some of these video game systems are. Are you a gamer? Well, time to bring it as we play Yes or BS. Let's do this. And now it's time for Yes.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Or BS.
It's just an endless cycle of bullshit.
457-5957. Let's go to the phone. X-Rock Radio. Good morning. Who's this? Hello? 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 X-Rock, are you there?
Yeah!
All right, I don't know who that was. Who is this?
It's Ben.
All right, Ben, I've got on the line, I've got a couple pairs of Ice Dogs hockey, and then I have some tickets for Cashed Out at the Blue Loon, which is going to be an awesome concert Friday and Saturday. All right, yes or BS, Ben, the original Nintendo, we said the Game Boy turned 30 this week, but the original Nintendo is over 40 years old. Is that yes or BS?
I know it's older. Is that much older? Yes!
No, you should have gone with your first thought. It came out in Japan 36 years ago in 83. It didn't hit North America until 86. So there you go. 457-5957. The game is Yes or BS. X-Rock Radio. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, who's this?
John.
All right, Josh. The Super Nintendo is over 30 years old. Yes or BS?
BS.
You're correct. It came out in Japan in 1990, about 9 months before it hit the U.S., so it's 29 years old, Josh. Josh, what's your last initial?
K.
I've got Saturday Ice Dogs or Cashed Out either night.
You don't have Friday Ice Dog?
No, I do not.
Let's do Saturday.
All right, Saturday Ice Dogs it is.
Awesome. Thanks, winner.
All right, pick them up at Jeans Chrysler this afternoon. They'll have them there. Thank you, Josh. Way to go. All right, let's keep rolling. Why not? X-Rock Radio, good morning. Justin? All right, Justin. The first Xbox came out almost 7 years after the first PlayStation. So the PlayStation came out, and then about 7 years later, the first Xbox. Was there that big of a gap? Yes or BS?
BS.
No, I'm sorry. The original PlayStation came out in Japan in 94. Xbox didn't hit stores till 2001. Sorry about that, man. 457-5957. We go back to the phones again. X-Rock Radio. Good morning. Who's this?
It's Brad. Winner.
Brad is on the phone with us. Brad, answer me this. The Nintendo Switch is the only major new system to come out in the last 5 years. The Nintendo Switch.
Yeah.
Wow, that was fast. Yeah. The last console before that, was the Xbox One in 2013. So they really haven't come out with some new ones. All right, Brad, I've got Saturday night hockey or Cashed Out.
I'll go Saturday night hockey.
All right, there you go. pick up your tickets over at Jeans. Sorry, I know you're going to go cross town stupid, but that's
it's okay.
what they make us do. So there you go. But it's cool because Jeans takes care of us. See, I say that to Brad because he actually literally is walking distance from the radio station. But for most people, it's actually easier picking them up out at Jeans, and they're a sponsor of the show, proud sponsor of the show. And we love having a place where everybody can go pick up the tickets so that you leave us the hell alone. Okay, so 457-5957. I got time for one more question, but here's the problem. I am out of Ice Dogs tickets today. I'll have more later on the week, but for now, I've got tickets for cashed out. So let's go to the phone. Next, Brad Radio. Who is this? Ben, here's the thing. I am out of Ice Dogs tickets. I have tickets for cashed out this weekend.
I heard you, bro.
All right, so you're down with that. You're down with that then, right?
That's all I ever wanted.
All right, well then, geez, this could be perfect. Ben, you got a second shot. Don't blow it. All right, here we go. No pressure now. All right. All right, Ben, the first commercially available video game console turns 47. 47. Is that yes or BS? The very first commercially available video game console.
No, man, it's gotta be BS. It's gotta be older than that.
No! It was the Magnavox Odyssey. It was the first console you could buy. It cost $99 in 1972, which is like $600 today. Gaming didn't really start to take off till the Atari. But I had the Magnavox Odyssey. And you know what it was? It had, you had a gun that you could shoot or a thing you could point at and click. And they had these, it was really just a series of blocks on the screen, but you had a plastic overlay that you'd put over the front of your TV screen. And it'd be haunted house or it'd be duck shooting thing or something. So you'd actually, it was very unusual. So there you go. All right. Sorry, I got no more questions for yes or BS. We'll do some more giveaways though, because we have a bunch of you. Ben allowed many of you to win. But here, would you like to win a pair of tickets to Saturday night? Here's how you do it. Basically, we have a caption contest on Facebook. Uh-huh. Caption it, win Ice Dog tickets. It's on the X-Rock Morning Show Facebook page. It's just a weird photo. You just have to give it a caption. That's all you got to do. 28 after the hour. Look at a couple things going on. Okay. Oh, this is good. We've got email etiquette tips, which are actually pretty handy. Also, today, Administrative Professionals Day. Will your company be doing anything for them? Some do, some do not. We have Jen up front. Who's our, I guess you could count, right? She's awesome. But here's one for you. Have you ever been downtown Fairbanks and had one of those dudes in the vest go by and chalk your tire? Well, you should have them arrested. They may not be able to do that anymore. I'll tell you why next.
This is X-Rock Radio. Anything that rocks.